this is the initial A wave right here. That's the B wave. Okay. Now this is the pivot to the C wave. So to see if this is still within the rules or guidelines, you would take the Fibonacci retracement tool of this A wave and measure the 1618 of that, which would be 43,502. Should 43,502 break, then all bets are off and we are in impulse. But if we get rejection anywhere between 1236 and 1618 right here for the C wave, then it was indeed a hellacious, expanded, super bullish B wave. Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is February 7th, 2022, and the question that's on most everyone's mind is Bitcoin going to pump or dump at this level? We're at a crucial level, right? We're in the 40s. Above 40K, that was crucial resistance, according to many people, right? The level between 41 and 43, or maybe for some people around 40. And we've spent, a decent amount of time, maybe 20, 24 hours at that point. So question is this enough? Is this like consolidating at crucial support? Or crucial resistance, turning it into support and pumping from there? Or is this just testing resistance to then have a dump? Okay. And so if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that my belief is that we are going down. Okay. That we are basically testing resistance to then dump. And why do I believe that? So first, let's zoom out. So technically, I still see a pattern of 535 zigzag that we've formed since this point right here, right? Since the 24th of January. I see 5 waves up here, 3 waves down, and then 5 waves up, okay? I also see a bunch of resistance here. We can see even more when we zoom out on a higher time frame. I see a bunch of resistance at these levels right here and right here. That was resistance right there for price. This was resistance, well, not much resistance, but this was support here, and this is now resistance here, okay? So that's what I'm seeing, a higher time frame, okay? And on a smaller time frame, I'm counting not super well, but I'm counting some semblance of 5 waves right up here. And I also see that the trend is exhausted. I don't see much of a retrace. And finally, we have broken this crucial 3-month resistance, right? This diagonal line is essentially represents 3 months of resistance that we've broken through. And I do anticipate a back test of it before continuation at the very least, but even more than a simple back test. I think that we're in a reversal pattern that goes something like this, coming down here. Let me just remove these arrows. This is your initial break of structure, your A wave, your B wave coming down here. So this is A of B, this is B of B, and then I anticipate making a lower low with C of B, and then a pivot of some sort. Actually, that pivot is going to most likely look like that, and before a reversal in earnest to the 50K region. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts. I haven't really changed that. Zooming in just to see more detail as to why I think that we are getting rejection and we will get rejection. For me, this bar was my change of trend. Okay, I know some of you may think that that doesn't make any sense. Let's go even on a smaller time frame. So 15-minute time frame. That bar right here was change of trend for me. Why? Because it was done on decent volume. Okay, and what ensued was a three-wave structure. Okay, and here's the three-wave structure I'm referring to. Let's see, where's my ABC corrections? That's A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so if it comes in 5, it's impulsive. If it comes in 3, it's corrective. So for me, using Elliott wave theory, this is a corrective wave. Everything that we've been getting from here is corrective, right? It's just an A, B, C, and this is the impulsive portion of that C wave, okay? So this is what I'm seeing. If I'm zoomed out, once again, on, let's go on the 4-hourly, and taking into account, I'm going to get off the log just to get a more accurate read. Taking into account this C wave of this ABC zigzag, it's wicked at this point, wicked above the 1, 2, 3, 6, okay? It's still within the region that you would expect a C wave to extend to, right? The C waves typically extend between the 1 and the 1, 2, 3, 6. I have seen rarely that they extend as far as the 1, 6, 1, 8, but that's rare. But the 1 to 1, 2, 3, 6 is where you would expect the price to come to, okay? And wicks above are customary. Now, what are we getting here? Once again, going back on the smaller time frames, it seems to me that this ABC structure, right, is basically towards the end of its sort of development. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement tool, if this indeed is a B wave, right, all this is a B wave of this, it's a little tricky because these B waves tend to be recursive, meaning this was the initial A wave, and that was respected right here. Oops. That was respected right here. That was the B wave, okay? This is the initial A wave right here. That's the B wave, okay? Now this is the pivot to the C wave. So to see if this is still within the rules or guidelines, you would take the Fibonacci retracement tool of this A wave and measure the 1618 of that, which would be 43,502. Should 43,502 break, then all bets are off and we are in impulse. But if we get rejection anywhere between 1236 and 1618 right here for the C wave, then it was indeed a hellacious, expanded, super bullish B wave, okay, which kind of tells you the character of Bitcoin right now. It's very bullish. There's a lot of buyers, but reversal patterns are reversal patterns, right? They have to play out. You have to get, they come in 3 and you don't just go, you have to sort of, I've never seen a proper reversal high time frame not execute this 3-wave pattern, right? Of an A wave, a B wave of some sort, right? It could be a flat correction, it could be a zigzag. Typically it's a flat correction, and then a C section with a small pivot, and then your 5 waves up with your reversal. And you see the same thing from the up on the top to the downside. All right, so that's my take. We'll see what we get. We can see similar things in Ethereum and Litecoin right here, right? We can see similar things in Ethereum and Litecoin. You have the 1618. You have the 1618 level pretty much respected by this initial B wave, A, B, C, right? And then you have a pivot, right? And this pivot I expect to generate a C wave. So I think that the downwards move, the very impulsive downwards move is imminent. All right. Same thing in Litecoin. We should see Litecoin is a little different. It looks like this initial A wave generated this B wave, which is still within the 1618. And then we may get a pivot that's above this 1618 for a C wave. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was useful. Like if you appreciate sound technical analysis. Share if you think other people could benefit from sound technical analysis on YouTube. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.